Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I got another quick demold. Got this little starfish shell, crystal candle holder, and some more crystal points. Okay, pretty plain and simple. A little bit of overpour. Same with this one. This one's really pretty. A little bit more overpour. This is that seashell white, I believe, from the Resin. Really pretty, like that. All of this is overpoured, something terrible though. Just a little bit of that seashell white. I'm only gonna do these two. I'll do the rest off camera. Oh, love those. I don't know why these turn out so much prettier in clear for some reason. Alright, I'm gonna demold this off camera, cause it's a pain. Okay, here it all is. This was literally just leftovers, so I normally would have filled the clear a little bit closer to when I poured the blue, just so it had time to blend a little bit. Alright, the crystal points turned out amazing. Slickery, but amazing. Okay, the starfish and the seashell. Alright, I'm gonna use these on, not the crystal candle holder, but I'm gonna use these on a couple of upcoming projects, so stay tuned. I want to thank y'all all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that hot button, whatever it is. Bye for now.